Want to become a full-stack web developer? Learn Python programming, master Django framework, connect with databases, and work on real-world projects. We start with HTML to structure your content and CSS to style it, ensuring your pages are both functional and visually appealing. Next, we dive into BOOTSRAP, a powerful framework that helps you build responsive designs quickly and efficiently. You'll also learn JAVASCRIPT, the essential language for adding interactivity, followed by jQuery, which simplifies complex JavaScript tasks. Part of this program is mastering Python and Django. We start with Python, covering variables, data types, OOPs, functions, loops, and libraries. Python is simple and widely used in web development, data science, and automation. Our Django course, one of the most popular Python frameworks. Django is fast, reliable, and scalable. It helps you build applications quickly with built-in features like authentication, database integration, and security. And the best part, you'll work on real-world projects that make your learning practical and job-ready. Join our Python and Django course and build powerful, scalable web applications. Enroll now and start your coding journey.